Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add image to your WordPress website so that if you need it, you can easily have access to them on your website. So I'm going to show you, this is step by step. If you have any image on your computer or devices, you just add it to your website, then you get access to your image on your website library. So let's go ahead and do that right now on this website here. So you want to go to your dashboard area here. So here you can add post here, you can add media here, pages here. This is where your comments arrive. Here appearance of your website. You can adjust the appearance of your website theme. Here is plugin where you can add your plugins. Here is where you can add users. Okay. Here is some tools you can import and export your website data here. And here is where you can set your website up. You can set the general setting, routine, reading, discussion, media, and privacy. Policy collapse menu here. You can collapse the menu. Let's say I want to collapse this menu here. Okay. Now we want to add media. Here we want to add where we can add images or videos. Okay. So you want to go to add new here. So here you want to select file. So you want to click select file. So you want to select which file you want to add to your website. So if it is video or if it is image, just go here. I want to add some image on the website. So you can just select the images like that, and there you go. Now the images are downloading to the website. So one I've already downloaded. One is has already downloaded. The second one also. So now that our image has been downloaded, so you have access to them and you can use them for your website. So let's say I want to use this image now for as my logo. So you want to go to customize, go to appearance and customize. So here you can change the option of your website, general setting. Let's go to general setting. So here is where you can change the logo of your website. So if I want to add logo now, I can just click here and I'll see the image as a library. Those image as my library here. So if you want to add new here, you click that add new again to your website. Let's say I want to use this. And select. And that is it. And when you finish, you click save, publish. So right there, another way you can add image is to go to your post or pages. I don't have post. Let's go to pages. So you can just add. Let's edit this. Let's add image to this post here. So if you want to add image, you can just click add media here. So when you click add media, it's gonna take you to your library. So you can choose from here. You can choose from all these images that we just downloaded here, or you download the new one, or you want to. So if you want to download the new one again, you can just click here and download the new one. You can download audio, video, visual image, or you can also insert from URL here. And let's say I want to install this. I want to use this image here. So just click on it. You just click on it and insert it. And when you finish, you click update. Now the image is in your website. So you can adjust the size of your image here. Enlarge it. Then you can align it to the center, to the right, or to the left. Just align it to the center. So that's when you finish, you click update, and that's how you add image to your website. So guys, if you have any question or anything about this video, containing this video, let me know down below. Let me see your comments and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.